Aggie's home would be the family's very large basement. At this age, Aggie's needs were much like a human infant's. Round-the-clock feeding, plenty of sleep, and lots of attention.
Aggie!
Even with Mark's extensive bear expertise, it would be tough. No one outside a zoo had attempted to raise a polar bear cub.
We didn't know anybody else, even in the business, that had had a polar bear. Our references were from veterinarians, from raising other bears, talking to different zoos.
And there have been many failures in the zoo world with hand-raising polar bears. They can get very sick. They can even die.
One of the main reasons polar bears get sick in captivity is a poor diet. For Aggie, getting the right milk, just like she would in the wild, was critical. But polar bear milk is very difficult to replicate.
Polar bears are extraordinarily different from other bears. The fat content of polar bear milk was very high.
Ken Macquiston's research revealed that Aggie would need milk with a 30% fat content, 5 times higher than human milk. Puppy formula was the fattiest milk available, but still had only a third of the fat the cub needed. So Ken devised a special cocktail.
Our formula was based on a dog milk replacer plus whipping cream.
This was phenomenal milk. I mean, the milk, it was so thick it was like a paste.
The new concoction had the right fat content, but would Aggie go for it?
Aggie, come on. Come on, Aggie. Oh, you can do it, come on. Come on now. Aggie, come on, Aggie.
She had that a very loud and happy purr as she sucked on the bottle. And that's a strong indication of contentment.
It's like a vacuum cleaner. Gone. I mean, that's how they suck. They just suck it right down and they want more.
Mark would have to manage Aggie's behavior as she got older, so he was determined to build a close bond right from the start. He would need to give her every one of her bottles, a total of 9 litres a day, around the clock.
And I'd go down and feed her, and then she'd fall asleep. And then in 2 hours, she'd wake up again and go yell her head off. She's very loud when she wants her bottle. And then I'd go down again and feed her another bottle. And
Being a surrogate mother to a polar bear cub was a full-time job.
Okay, guess what? We gotta clean up after you, you little stinky. Yeah. As you can tell, she doesn't like her posterior touched. She's very adamant about that.